Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and continuing the series of reviews of AI related videos and AI tools. Today I bring to you the site called Dubverse.ai. So what you can do exactly with this particular AI tool, you can dub a video, you can create subtitles, or you can create text to speech. But before we can proceed with the full review of Dubverse, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure to join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So let's straight away move to the review and understand how you can go about it. So as you can see, I have already logged into the site. So you will be prompted to sign up over there for a free account. When you sign up, you get 50 credits. You can see I'm and 7 days trial period. So I'm left with 44 credits. I've already made up 3 videos. I mean, I've tested out each of these categories to find out how the output comes out, and I must say I'm quite happy with it. I've got 7 more days to sort of play around with it. So it's pretty simple and very easy. So let's check out all the 3 features, how you go about it. So basically, supposing you want to dub a video, you just click on add a video. Now I picked up this my own URL from YouTube. I pasted it over here, or you can drop files from wherever your own channels, import them from any of the social media handles basically. So you can see I copied this particular URL, pasted it, and once you are done, it will prompt you to move ahead next, and then you can change the language. Now if I play this particular video,
आज का ज्ञान आज हम सीखेंगे 3 वाइट सोल्जर्स पैटर्न। तो
so you
दोस्तों
can
ये
see
पैटर्न जो
the
है
language used here is
3
Hindi.
कैंडल के फॉर्मेशन से बनता है।
Okay, so then you can come here and select any of the AI voice. You can see here these are premium speakers, so you can't, but there is a lot of options. So let's say this is Asha, she speaks
नमस्ते, मेरा
Hindi,
नाम आशा है और मैं आपकी पहुंच को आगे
or you
बढ़ाने
can
में
select from
आपकी
the
मदद
drop
कर
down
सकती हूँ।
and
आपसे
let's say
मिलकर
I'm
खुशी हुई,
saying
धन्यवाद।
let's say Arabic, for
नमस्ते,
example.
मेरा नाम आशा है
Let's
और
say
मैं
Zaria.
يتيح جعل الفيديو الخاص بك يذهب عبر العالم. مرحبا
Same
اسمي
as you, it
زاريا.
goes over my head. So just randomly chosen over there. Let's Russian, Turkish, Spanish. Let's choose Marathi. I think Hindi I have converted to. Punjabi probably, most of you guys will understand. Yeah,
يتيح جعل الفيديو الخاص بك يذهب
Marathi.
عبر العالم. مرحبا اسمي زاريا.
And let's Munduri. Let's play her voice.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव मुंडुरी आहे
So
आणि
once you
मला
select
आपले
which
पोहोच
language,
पुन्हा
let's pause
वाढवण्या
it. Once you select which language you want to dub into, you just need to click on add and let's dub, and it is going to start processing. It will take a couple of minutes probably. It will cost you 1 or 2 credits, and your video will be ready to download. So I have already done one such thing. The first one, let's open in a new tab. That's the dubbing which I have done of this particular video, which is there. Let's see
हालांकि
this.
कलर ग्रीन है, इसे 3
It's
वाइट
in Hindi. I have dubbed it in English, and this is the output.
आज हम 3 श्वेत सैनिक पैटर्न के बारे में जानेंगे। ये पैटर्न 3 कैंडल
I had
फॉर्मेशन से
selected a
बना है।
female voice over here and a Hindi voice.
हालांकि रंग
So you are getting a prompt over here. So similarly, you can choose any, and it was really a breeze. You will be given since it is a free version, you will have to bear with the watermark over here. So this is how you can dub and change into a language of your choice. The second option is creating a subtitle. So for creating subtitles, similarly you add a video, like I pasted the same one over here, went through the same process, select the language or the AI voice of your choice, and subtitles over here. Yes, Open in new tab. Now you can see my video will be having subtitles in English.
ट्रेड फ्रेंचर का आज का ज्ञान। आज हम सीखेंगे 3 वाइट सोल्जर्स पैटर्न।
You can see I'm speaking in Hindi, but I'm getting subtitles over here in English. So you can get subtitles over here. Same process. You go select your video, select your subtitles, which language you want, and you proceed, and then you'll be able to
3 वाइट
download it over here. Like here also you can see you have the option to download. You can straight away download and use it wherever you want, but you will have the watermarks over here, same way over here. Then the third one is a text to speech. So same way you go add a document. So source language, like just went to chat GPT, just picked up one script. I was lazy enough not to cut off the short 1, short 2 and host. I just randomly picked up, pasted it over here, and same way moved ahead and created a text to speech doc. So here you can see, let's go and view it in the new tab. So this is a text to speech.
Intro, short 1. Host standing in front of a colorful backdrop with the magic of thinking big, written. Host, welcome
This
back
is
to
the
our channel, where we unlock
content what chat GPT had given me. I didn't want to waste my time and write something or copy from somewhere. So basically whatever content you have, you can straight away go over and put over here, and you can create a text to speech. So quite easy to work with, and breeze, no complications over there. Now if you want to upgrade and go for a pro, you can go here and click on the purchase pro. You can see that for 100 credits a month, what you're getting: enhanced AI, premium speakers, which you are not getting in the free, storage space 5 GB, advanced studio wherein you can change the pronunciations, editings, blah blah blah. So for 100 this thing is $29, for 500 credits $59, for $1,000 $99. That's it if you're paying monthly. If you're going half yearly, instead of $99, that would be around for 6 months 6,000. You will be paying around 350. So makes sense, I think, if you are a heavy user over here, if you want to upgrade to pro. So coming to the end of the video, I think just like me, you'd be also very happy with this particular review. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section about the tool, about my own video, and if you want to hear and want me to review any particular AI site, AI tool, please let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do like the video, do subscribe the video. Until the next video, take care and be safe.